Pitanga House by Estúdio BRA Arquitetura represents a profound shift in lifestyle for a family moving from one of São Paulo's busiest neighborhoods to the serene town of Santa Isabel, approximately 55 kilometers away. Nestled within an environmental reserve, the house embraces its surroundings, integrating seamlessly with the lush, abundant vegetation that characterizes the region. This rich natural backdrop guided the design, as the home's most significant views are oriented toward the dense forest, creating a tranquil living experience that feels deeply connected to nature. The plot, spanning 800 square meters, is surrounded by towering trees that enhance the sense of privacy and immersion in nature. Regardless of where one stands within the home, the presence of greenery is constant, offering a calming and unbroken view of the forest. The architecture capitalizes on this unique setting, using large expanses of glass on the ground floor to create a fluid relationship between the interior and exterior spaces. The transparency invites natural light to flood the rooms while offering uninterrupted views of the vibrant landscape outside. The house itself is organized across 3 levels, each serving distinct purposes. On the upper floor, the private spaces, bedrooms, and a small office offer a peaceful retreat, elevated above the rest of the home. The ground floor, where the heart of daily life unfolds, is designed for communal living. Here, the kitchen, barbecue area, laundry room, and living spaces flow together, with one of the bedrooms also situated on this level. The open-plan design, coupled with the expansive glass walls, allows the living and dining areas to extend naturally into the leisure area, which includes a pool and outdoor lounge. The house's concrete structure gives it the appearance of a monolithic stone nestled within the forest, subtly blending human intervention with the natural landscape. The design emphasizes the relationship between the built environment and the wild, aiming for a smooth and harmonious transition. The robust concrete volumes, softened by the delicate interplay of glass and wood, create a home that feels both solid and open, anchored in the earth yet embracing the sky and trees that surround it. In Pitanga House, Estúdio BRA Arquitetura has crafted not only a residence but a lifestyle deeply attuned to nature. It is a place where the hustle and bustle of city life give way to the quiet rhythms of the forest, offering the family a retreat that is both physically and mentally removed from their previous urban life, yet entirely suited to their modern needs. Thank you for joining us today on this architectural journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more stunning home designs and architectural masterpieces from around the world. Leave a comment below and let us know what aspect of Pitanga House inspired you the most. We'll see you in the next video.